All right, guys, we have a new Scholastic News today, and this one is called The Scoop on Ice Cream. And that's kind of like a play on words because you can scoop ice cream, but in this sense, it means that people are talking about it, or the scoop on ice cream, what you know about it, or yeah, basically what you know about it, or the information about it. All right, so we're going to use our transition words today, and you'll notice that I left one blank. There are 5 different transition words that we're going to use today because we are going to do the steps of making ice cream, and it doesn't always fit into an easy 4-step situation. So we have 5 today. So when we get to that, we're going to add another word. All right, so the scoop on ice cream. So we're going to look at the first step. It says, mix it, heat it. First, the workers mix the ingredients. They pour milk, cream, eggs, and sugar into a mixer. The machine blends the ingredients together. It mixes them up. It also heats the mix to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That kills any germs. All right, so I'm going to put that into my own words. So first, a worker adds milk, cream, eggs, and sugar and heats it up. Now you want to make sure you're putting these sentences into your own words, because if you took it from the magazine, that wouldn't be right because somebody else wrote that. So you have to, when you take information, you have to put it into your own words. That's where that nonfiction piece, you have to keep that in mind when you're doing projects or doing some kind of research. All right, so the next part says, stir it, cool it. Ice cream is not supposed to be hot, so the mix has to be cooled down. It goes into the ice cream maker. The machine stirs ice cream more and cools it down. Now the mix is only about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to say next, a machine stirs the ingredients together. And then I'll write that cools down the ice cream. And if you wanted to add more detail to that, you could even say it cools down the ice cream to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, then this is the part where you get to add the fun stuff. So it says add mix-ins. Next, workers add the mix-ins to the ice cream. Those are the chewy, crunchy bits that some ice cream flavors have, like peanut butter cups or cookies. The ooey gooey butter cake ice cream gets, you guessed it, cake pieces. So then a worker stirs in mix-ins like, and they use the example of peanut butter cups or cookies. So I will use the same because I have to use the information from the text. Now, if I said Oreos, that would be right, but I want to use the information from this text and they only say cookies. So we're not going to add extra to it. So then a worker stirs in mix-ins like peanut butter cups, or cookies. All right. Now, like I said, it doesn't always fit into a first, next, then, and last situation. So this one is going to be after. All right, so after the mix-ins are added. And I'm using that because this was the step that came right before. So it says, then a worker stirs in mix-ins like peanut butter cups or cookies. After the mix-ins are added, and then I can continue my sentence. And that's where I'm going to leave you at. So you guys are going to do the last two. I started you off with a sentence starter. After the mix-ins are added, you continue the sentence, and you might even need to add another detail in there. And then please make sure you do the last one. Always check your punctuation, uppercase at the beginning of sentences, and please write as neatly as possible. See you later, guys.